The concert at London's prestigious Barbican Centre is yet to begin. As people buy tickets, many don't know what to expect, as the band they are about to see has never played in the UK before. When showtime arrives, Staff Benda Bilili from the Democratic Republic of Congo give the audience their best. The band's name means to put forward what is hidden in Lingala. Staff Benda Bilili has been on tour across Europe and even recently won the 2009 Artist of the Year award at Womex, an international world music festival held in Europe. They are also promoting their debut album Très Très Fort, which means very, very strong or very, very loud.
Nous sommes les handicapés, mais bien sûr.
We are disabled, but our heads work, and that's usually what we sing as a message to the whole world. Whether you're disabled or not, you have to work and you have to have hope, no matter what you do.
Tu vois, les trophées, c'est mondial.
Trophies are worldwide. To win trophies, you have to sing well, play well. You have to be well prepared. We are proud to win the award because now the whole world wants to see us.
Those who attended the concert were impressed by the band's performance.
I'm from Democratic Republic of Congo, where they come from. They are actually, I knew them when I was a little back home. So the performance was really good for us to see them come in England, you know, to perform in front of all the people. It was a great thing for us.
And I really, really wanted to get up on my chair and dance, which was brilliant when everyone at the end got up and danced. And I wish that we'd all done that a lot earlier, but they were brilliant.
I'm paralysed from the waist down, but my toes were tapping. They're really brilliant. And seriously, I would get married just to invite them to the reception. They are amazing. I couldn't understand a word they said, but I knew exactly what they were talking about. Brilliant.
Even though Staff Benda Bilili has fans in Europe and the group is currently being managed and funded by a Belgian record label, they face constant challenges back home in Kinshasa. All band members contracted polio as children and say that they are often discriminated by people here. They usually rehearse at this park as entrance is free for the disabled. Band leader Ricky Likabu explained how the group was started in 2004.
We tried to sing with able-bodied musicians. It didn't work. They were not happy with us. So what were we supposed to do? Since they didn't want to play with us, we did it ourselves. That's why we formed Staff Benda Bilili, just for disabled people.
The Chausseur song is about people that don't have a home, that sleep on the streets. That's why I composed this song, because our children suffer like that, during the night, on the cardboard. I thought, no, I've got to do a song about this. It's a catastrophe.
In 2005, Staff Benda Bilili was still struggling to find a record deal. Their story caught the attention of some French filmmakers who made this documentary about their lives and music over a 4-year period. Some of the band's members live on the streets and end up taking care of street kids who even eventually learn how to play musical instruments. On most nights, the band can be found playing in downtown Kinshasa. This spot is close to some popular bars and restaurants, which sometimes hire them, but they like to come here mostly because it inspires them.
This place is ideal to compose music because it's calm. You can compose here. To compose music, being around many people doesn't work. This is a good place. There is no noise.
Madame la pluie, elle n'a pas chanté.
Meanwhile, Staff Benda Bilili continue touring Europe. We leave you with pictures of their recent performance in Paris. The group is also going to play concerts in the Netherlands and Belgium.
Yeah.